Welcome back to Mitchell's Interviews. It's a NBC interview, and we are going to be interviewing a chicken this time. Last interview was Jesse, so let's interview this chicken. Okay, so chicken, how many pairs of shoes do you have?
About 25.
Wow, very interesting. How much chickens have you seen in your life?
About 8 to 7.
Oh, very interesting. Do you like sushi?
A little bit, but I prefer seeds.
Oh, very interesting. Well, thank you for coming here today, and thank you for letting me interview you.
No problem.